Hey, what's going on? My name's John Erickson, and I'm currently living and working in Los Angeles, California. For this part, I brought in my two sidekicks. We've got Dan here, who just turned 4, and we've got Dee here, who's his younger brother, who's 3.5. Our ideal weekend getaway? Well, probably going up to Santa Barbara, where we could rent a bike, I throw them in a bag and go for a ride along the coast. Hike up in the mountains. They love hiking. We have a ton of fun. Sleep in late, order room service, go down by the docks, smell all the smells, meet up with some friends, have a glass of wine, enjoy the, sushi, uni, whatever we find that's fresh and local, and just be out in the sun, having fun with friends, of course, meeting other dogs and getting into trouble. Anyways, we have a lot of fun here in LA, and with the weather the way it is, they've got some jackets on to stay warm, they've got their crazy hair, and they are the best of friends. So, thanks a lot. Good work, guys. It's so great to see you. I know, it's been a while. Well, I hear great things about this place. If you like fresh uni, you're at the spot. Yeah? Awesome. Ah! All right, truce! Truce! Ah! Okay. What a beautiful day. I know you can get tired too sometimes. I don't mind carrying you. Well, look at your brother. He's flying around out there. This is the life.